I'm going to the Honda workshop, the Big Wing Honda workshop, the Maserati cars. That's the power, baby. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Hope you all are doing great at home. Hope all safe. And wow, it's been a long time, almost around 3 months. I've not ridden my bike, so feels good to be back on the bike. As you all have read the subtitle, I have to get this done. I am going to the Honda workshop, the Big Wing Honda workshop. This was pending from the longest time and I have to get it done. So sit back, relax and enjoy. For all of you all who are not aware what we've named her, go check out my Instagram ID. It's always the first link in the description below, and also the ID is flashing right now on your screens below, so do check it out. That's the power, baby. Hope the NRS family is enjoying the sound of the beast. But as you know, in Mumbai traffic is always there. It's 24/7, so not too many spaces where we can pull the beast. But yes, when we get a small stretch, it's good to have a little bit fun. But always remember, be careful, always wear your helmet. That's the major safety I can say requirement when you're riding your motorcycle. Please do wear your helmets. That's a must. Today I had a day off from work, and it was a nice and sunny day. It's not raining, so best time to vlog for my NRS family. And again, the best time to vlog because no rains. Go safely to Honda workshop and come back soon. Wow, that's the Audi A6. Oh, it's a repainted Audi. It looks good in yellow. Something very different. Never seen an A6 in this color. So wow, that's nice. So I don't know if you all have seen so many people just keep checking out the bike, or is it because I'm vlogging? Do comment in the comment section down below. Is it the bike which attracts the people, or is it the vlogging which I do attracts the people? I'm not too sure. So let's see what my NRS family has to say about it. Comment in the comment section down below, NRS family. We are crossing from Bandra going to Andheri. So for all those who are not from Mumbai itself, getting a good tour of Mumbai city. I know it's dug up, but this is all for the future. We are going to see a lot of metros, a lot of overhead bridges, which are going to be an amazing part. Mumbai is going to be transformed in another, I can say, 4 to 5 years, and that's going to be super cool. So hats off to India. But yes, people do have to suffer the traffic right now, but as they say, every good thing has its own time. So wait for it, and then I'm sure once the metro is in, once everything eases out, it will be another ball game altogether. Wow, today is the day of Audi A6. That was the previous, I can say that was the 2010-2012 model, and this is the latest, the 2019 variant of the Audi A6. It's made much more compressed than the I can say the earlier one, but it's very spacious. I myself have sat into one of the latest Audis, and very spacious. Features, wow, there's no comparison when it comes to features between the three brands. The three brands, when I say Audi, Mercedes and BMW, I believe Audi has one of the best features when it comes. So hats off Audi, you always do a great job. I know service is a concern about Audi all the time, but then I'm sure they're taking care of that also now. NRS family keeps getting to see all the exotic cars, and that's a good part. It also I can share whatever knowledge I have for those who all are not aware. I was in the automobile industry from last 9 years. I've changed my industry right now, and so I've been in most of the luxurious brands, you can say. Audi, that's the way I have knowledge about the A6 also a lot. I was with Audi, then I was with Mercedes AMG, or I was only looking at the AMG section. Then also I had a chance to be with the Maserati cars. Let's try and help the ambulance a little bit. So if it can come, let's try and do something for them. साइड में ले, साइड में ले, वो साइड कर दादा, वो साइड दबा, वो साइड दबा. Let's give the ambulance way so that someone is needing help. So let's do it for them. Yeah, it's nowadays, if you have a life, you have everything in life. So this pandemic has taught us a lot to take care about people, be more responsible. Daba, wo side daba. Let's make way. Daba. So there are people who give way. It's not about that, but there are some people who do not give way. So it's nice to educate people like them also. Wo side daba, wo side daba. It's very simple. It's not a rocket science to give it way. It's about just turning your radius a little bit. वो साइड ले, वो साइड ले, वो साइड ले, वो साइड दबा थोड़ा. It's always good to save someone's life, so that's the best part. वो साइड दबा. वो साइड दबा, वो साइड दबा, ले लेफ्ट में. दबा वो साइड, लेफ्ट में दबा. It's free to go, boy. It's always happy to save someone's life, so that's very good thing, and very happy. I hope someone's life gets saved. This is the time when it's taught us a lot that lives do matter. Someone's loved one may be inside, or it may be going to pick up someone's loved one. So please, all I would tell my NRS family is always do good, and I'm sure God is watching. There's always something beautiful in store for you. But when you can help people, please do help people. That's one of the major things I can say. Helping people is the best thing in life, and it always puts a smile on your face. Try it out. If you've not tried something like this, please try it out and see the happiness when you get when that guy actually had just a wave to his hand and there was a beautiful smile on my face. So NRS family, one good thing I taught you all today, please put it to your practice. It's a must when it comes to humanity. So we are back at the Honda Big Wing Service Center. Let's check them out. Wow, the CB350 RS, they are lined up everywhere. Wow. Do contact Big Wing Mumbai if you want to own your CB350 or your CB350 RS. Beautiful bike. If you have not checked out my review on the CB350 Highness, do check it out in my playlist. Do check it out. And if you want to purchase one or have a look at one, contact the Honda Big Wing Mumbai and give them my reference, and they'll take good care of you. So NRS family, how did you all like the visit to the workshop? I was eagerly waiting for this. The seat cowl was a must, so eagerly waiting for it, and finally it arrived. So I'm super happy. Thank you Honda. The first thing when the seat cowl came, they called me up and they said that the seat cowl is available, would you want to purchase it? Without any thought I said just yes, I want it. There were another, we could have ordered it internationally, but it was taking time and I didn't want to order it internationally because many reviews I had seen that the color, there is a mix match when you order it internationally. This color is just perfect. It's exactly made for the CBR and OVM, so obviously it has to be the exact, and really very happy with it. There are some distributors in India also selling it for 20k 22k, but I didn't feel it feasible to go in with those, and Honda got it for me, and it was very reasonable, to be honest. The cost of the, I can say, the seat cowl was just 16,000 rupees. So I don't think it's expensive for a bike like this to get I can say a seat cowl at that cost. It's pretty cheap, it's pretty feasible, I can say. So one more reason why I chose Honda over any other brand is maintenance with the parts. Yes, they do take time. So from 2019 till 2021, because of the pandemic also, no doubt, but because of the pandemic it got delayed. But yes, I was waiting for this part from the longest time, and finally it arrived. So that was a good thing also. Do comment in the comment section down below if you want me to make a video on the complete accessories which till date I have installed on the 650. So if you all have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe now and press the bell icon so you'll get notified for all the upcoming videos. And thank you all for watching and supporting me. Thank you all for everything. Thank you God for everything. It's a wrap. NRS family.
Wow.